Every night in my dreams.
Wait, this is our plan?
Yeah, and it's working. We almost got him with that one.
That one was my brother Tyler. Captain, I enlisted because I wanted to get the eggs back.
And you're serving your flock proud, brother.
It's just this giant slingshot. It's barbaric, and I'm not sure it even makes sense.
What do you mean? We're birds.
Right, exactly. We're birds. We should just fly over and take the eggs.
Pool!
How many must we sacrifice in defense of a few eggs?
4. Fall forward beside and that doesn't work, we'll call the mission off. Pull!
Incoming! The castle appears to be holding, sir.
Excellent. No matter what, everyone keep standing still.
Sire, if you don't mind me asking, why do we need the bird eggs?
Are you serious? We obviously need the eggs to... Die, pigs!